What is up, beautifuls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, welcome. Hi, I'm Finn, and in today's video, as you can see by the title below, we've got another super exciting video. I've been meaning to film this all week. It's literally been sat in the spare room all week, so I am buzzing to film this. Literally, I can't wait. As you can see by the title, we are going to be having a look and an unbox of the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Revolution gift set. Now this was meant to be £80, then they reduced it to 60, then they reduced it again, and I only paid £30 for this gift set. So without further ado, if this is something that interests you, cheap gift sets, Christmas things, makeup, then please keep on watching. As I said, this was only £30. It comes with a lot of stuff. So now I've held it up, it's all sort of rolling around. So let's just peel off the sleeve. I always have difficulty with these. That was a workout. I peeled off the sleeve. We end up with this box like this. Everything's rolling around. Let's just open the lid. Oh, I have opened this once before, but I haven't looked at everything individually, and it still looks so cute. Is anyone else like this? I just get so excited. New makeup, new like packaging, so cute. Love it. So when you take off the lid, this is what it looks like. You get the big palette at the top, and then you get the setting spray as well. And then underneath the palette, we also have all of this to go through as well. So you get a lot of things in this gift set. Let's start from the top. Starting from the top, we are going straight in with the chocolate milk fixing spray, which looks just like this. I haven't smelt this one yet, and this is now my third fixing spray since doing all of these unboxings. So hopefully this one smells nice, but the other two are amazing. Oh my gosh. What? That is chocolate. That is chocolate. Imagine Cadbury's hot chocolate, the really like thick stuff, the really chocolatey stuff. You've poured it out in your mug and you've let it go cold. It smells like that. That smells amazing. Everything in this gift set is exclusive. You cannot buy it individually. However, this one palette in particular, the huge one, is really special because they've never come out of a palette this big before. This is, I think it's a £35. I could be wrong. Yeah, £35 palette. And they have not ever come out with something like this. They've always come out with the stereotypical chocolate palettes, so this is exciting. So let's just give this an open. I'll show you the front bit first. So that's what the front looks like. Then you've got the back. It is just so pretty. It's so pretty. Guys. Excuse me? That's stunning. That is actually stunning. The foils, the matte, gorgeous yellow colour there. That is absolutely stunning. Beautiful. It comes with a huge mirror. Absolutely massive mirror. I love it. I actually love it. 18 of these are pressed pigments as well, not just eyeshadows. So I am super excited to use this. I will be doing a testing video on this palette, by the way, guys. I've got a lot of palettes to test at the moment. I've literally got loads. So bear with me, please, because I still am working. But I'm trying to get out as much content as I can for you guys. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult, but it is coming and I can't wait to test this one. So if you want to see that, be sure to hit the sub button down below. It will be up within the next couple of weeks, hopefully. Next up, this looks beautiful. So this is the I Heart Revolution Ginger and Orange palette, which is a stereotypical chocolate orange one. This bit is all 3D and follows the same kind of packaging as their other ones. This is stunning. I just love the packaging of all of these. I love it. And then on the inside, stop making cute things. It's so nice. This is the colour story. So it's just as it says. It's ginger and orange. This will be perfect for like autumn, winter, Christmas time. I might actually wear this on Christmas Day. You never know. I love that, and I love the look of the shimmers. The shimmers are absolutely stunning. So that is so exciting. And in this one you get 11 pressed pigments as well, not just eyeshadows. Moving on, right. So this one is the Berry Meringue palette. So it's white dripped with the pink background. I think this is beautiful. It's so pretty. say, this is gorgeous. If this doesn't scream Barbie, I don't know what does. Look how stunning that is. That is absolutely beautiful. I've got nothing more to say about that. This shade up here, Whisk, that pinky foiled colour, wow. I am so excited to use that. Oh, and Eat and Mess. Look at this one as well. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful colours. I cannot wait to try that. So that's the huge palette and the 2 normal size palettes done. We've now got 3 small palettes. Okay, so we're starting it with Violet Crush, which is this really adorable mini eyeshadow palette. Gorgeous, gorgeous colour scheme. I love the outside of that. And then on the inside, what does this look like? I just poked myself in the eye out of sheer excitement. That is stunning. So we have this purpley, bluey toned, gorgeous little palette. These are perfect for taking away if you're going out for a couple of days. You don't really want to take a full-size makeup kit. I love that. That is stunning. Look at the foil, wow. Next up. So this one is actually a highlighter palette. Now we have had another highlight palette, but that one was maybe a little bit too dark for me. I did make it work, but we'll see what shades these are. But yeah, this is in the shade Champagne Truffle, which looks a bit like caramelly. It gives me like proper caramel vibes. Beautiful, beautiful colours. I'm a sucker for a highlight. If it's shiny and it sparkles and it's called highlight, I love it. So this is what we've got here. Just 2 little highlighters, gorgeous. Like this one's more rose goldy and this one is much more warm tone gold. But they are stunning. I can't wait to try them. So this one is a contour palette and this one is actually called Hot Chocolate Contour, and that is what it looks like. It reminds me of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, this one. I don't know why, it just does. It screams chocolate. Does that make sense? It screams chocolate to me. And hopefully this one will be a really good tone for me. Oh, actually they're a little bit dark. This is definitely going to go in my makeup kit because sometimes I do with people's makeup that are a lot more darker skin tone than me, so this will definitely be used and definitely be worth it. But that is what we've got there. Also, I reckon these would make a really nice smoky eye, so we might do that as well. But that's what that looks like. We're not done yet, guys. We still have more products in here. So the next thing we've got is a little pocket mirror. I actually reviewed one of these. I didn't review it. I unboxed one of these in my previous gift sets. But that is what that looks like. I actually really like these. I think they're really handy, especially for YouTube. So got one of those. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. So we've got this lip gloss, and this is part of the I Heart Revolution chocolate lip gloss set, and this one is in the shade and the scent Berry. This beautiful nudie pink toned gloss, absolutely stunning. I love these packagings, by the way, guys. It smells of strawberry chocolate, and that smells definitely of chocolate and with a hint of strawberry, which makes me really fancy a tub of roses. And then we have another lip gloss. Now this one is the same collection, but it is in the shade Ginger, and this is what this one looks like. So it's a very, very nude kind of gloss. Would look beautiful over a nude lipstick. I really like this. I think they smell the same. They both definitely smell of chocolate, but I thought the pink one smelled like strawberry chocolate, but it doesn't. They smell the same. They both smell of chocolate. Lastly, guys, we're at the last products now, which I'm also super excited for. We actually have some I Heart Revolution brushes, which are the same packaging and the same like drip marks as the lip glosses. So this is so exciting. So the first one we get is this adorable little fluffy brush. It's a bit like a base shadow brush, I guess. You could probably use it for blending, but I reckon it's used for more packing, to be honest, but that's what that looks like. This one is a fluffy brush used for like blending. You could use it for anything really, but I think I'll use this one for more blending the shades out. And then lastly, a girl can never have too many of these, we have a flat angled brush, which I like for eyeliner, eyebrows, anything really, if you want like a precise line. But that looks really nice, and it is definitely skinny, so I really like that. And that's what we've got there. Right, beautiful, so that end the video. That is everything that you get in the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Revolution gift set. Like I've said, you get 1 huge palette, 2 normal sized, 3 small ones, 2 lip glosses, 3 brushes, a setting spray and a pocket mirror. And I genuinely paid £30 straight off of the I Heart Rev website. So if you like makeup, seriously have a look at their sale range, their gift set range. There is a lot there for extremely good price, and I can't wait to test this all out. So guys, that is the end of today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, and if you are new, maybe consider subscribing down there. I was going to say we're on the way to 1,000, but no, I surpassed 1,000, so because we haven't really got a milestone now. Thank you guys so much as well for subscribing if you have subscribed recently. I'm beyond happy. I really wanted to hit 500 this year and I just hit 1,000, so thank you. I am going to be doing palette testing, palette reviews. I've got a lot to test, so bear with me, but if there's anything you really want me to just push out quickly, let me know down in the comments. I will do it quickly for you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, have a great evening, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, love you, bye.